Lucy, what does Tarzan say? What does the cow say?
No.
And the dog?
Woof.
And the cat?
No.
And the sheep?
Ah.
And the pirate?
Ah.
How about Tarzan again?
Oh.
What does Tarzan say? Oh, yes. Like, duh, Mom.
Oh, jump.
Can you jump? Jump. Lucy.
Jump.
Oh, no more noises? What's that? Oh, Mom's torturing you with the camera. Hey, what does the duck say?
Croak.
And, wait, did you tell me what the cat says?
No.
What does Snickers say? What does Daddy say? I don't know what that was. Where's Daddy?
No.
Is he working?
No.
Do you want to go see Grammy?
No.
No. Who do you want to see? You just want to get down? Hey, one time for me. What do you think of the Yankees?